Carry on means to continue doing something. In the picture, she is working at her desk while someone comes into the room, but she carries on with her work. For example, carry on working. I won't disturb you. Come back means to return to a place. Here, the man has been away and is arriving home again with his bag. He has come back. For example, what time are you coming back tonight? Find out means to discover information that you didn't know before. Here, she is reading something and has just discovered an interesting fact. She has found something out. For example, I just found out that I got the job. Get along with someone means to have a good relationship with them. These two colleagues look relaxed and happy working together, so they clearly get along well. For example, I get along really well with my coworkers. Get up means to leave your bed after sleeping or resting. In the picture, he has just woken up and is getting out of bed. For example, I usually get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Give up means to stop trying because something feels too difficult, or to stop doing something completely. Here, she looks frustrated with the puzzle and is ready to give up. For example, don't give up. Try one more time. Go out means to leave home to do something social, like meeting friends, eating at a restaurant, or having a drink. These two friends are heading out for the evening. For example, we're going out for dinner tonight. Go over means to review or examine something carefully. In the picture, she's sitting at her desk, looking through her notes and checking her work. She's going over the information. For example, let's go over the main points again before the meeting. Look after someone means to take care of them. In this picture, the child isn't feeling well and she is looking after him by keeping him warm and comfortable. For example, can you look after the kids this afternoon? Look for something means to try to find it. Here, she has lost something and is searching around the sofa to see where it is. She's looking for it. For example, I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them?